Hi guys, hope you all have a fantastic day. Today we are gonna clean this Lada because it looks disgusting. She's been sitting in my shop for over a week, so it's dried all this mold. Now we need to make everything disappear. Yeah, it's gonna be a little bit of work, but at least she's gonna look a little bit better. And the inside is so dusty and full of spiders, dead bugs, live bugs, I don't know what, but a lot of things. So we are gonna clean it and look good, well, as good as you can get. Well, when I can drive it, at least she can look clean. That was I'm thinking. So I'm just gonna grab a vacuum cleaner and vacuum everything. I'm not gonna detail it or something. I just want to look a little bit better, because if she doesn't drive and looks like this, it just breaks my heart. So let's make it the best that we can. Then let's take the power washer and clean it so that she looks as brand new. Yeah, of course. Okay guys, let's take the vacuum cleaner and start cleaning the inside. Well, everything is cleaner now. Let me show you. So yeah, it's not perfect, but it's a lot better than what it used to be. So I'm pretty happy with that. And guys, please let me know in the comments, here in the trunk, am I missing some piece that goes on top of this hole for the spare tire? I believe there should be something to level everything out, so if I'm missing, please let me know in the comments. And yeah, now I'm gonna push the car outside and take the pressure washer, and I think it's the best to pressure wash it inside a little bit. I'm not gonna do it too much, but I'm gonna clean it the best I can. So, and I'm gonna pressure wash the engine because I don't care for it. It's old, it's not running good, and it should rebuild it completely to be sure it's working good. So I'm gonna take the water and put it everywhere because it doesn't matter. Okay, I'm gonna push the car outside, then we can start cleaning from the outside, and that is gonna be a much fun job to do. And guys, a lot of respect to you who is doing a detailing, because I never have patience for it. I'm really guys, best of to you, because I can't do it. To vacuum everything, to clean everything, I'm not that kind of person. So guys, great job. Okay, I'm gonna push the car outside, then clean it. Lada is outside and ready to be cleaned. We are gonna start right here, and hopefully we can remove all this. I never ever cleaned car with that much dirt, and that's not dirt, that's grass. So yeah, we're gonna see how it's gonna look at the end. Hopefully a much better. Let's go. this is a nicer paint that I was thinking. It's in actually pretty good condition. I'm happy. Let me show you. So yeah, it has some rust obviously, but other than that, it looks actually pretty good. I'm happy. It looks pretty good. I'm really happy about it. It's so nice. It's such a nice color. I was thinking of painting it in the wine red. I love that color since I was playing GTA 5, so I would love to have car in that color. But now, when I washed it, I'm really like this white. I think I'm gonna maybe leave it like that. Well, this was before, this is now. So, it's a lot better. Now, I need to put back this to close the carburetor, and then we're gonna clean everything inside. And then we are done. So yeah, it's pretty big difference. I love it, love it. Okay, let's clean the engine bay now. Guys, remember this: if you're gonna wash the car and the engine bay, first wash the engine bay. But yeah, I cleaned everything now again. So yeah, let me show you. So yeah, everything looks a nice better, and I really like it. So yeah, everything is clean now. And that's it for some time. So yeah, I'm still a little bit bummed out. I didn't get to drive it, but it is what it is. Now let's start again on the Niva project. We have a little fun now. Now it's time to work again. It's gonna be a lot of work, but it's gonna be a lot of fun. So yeah, guys, this is it for this Lada at the moment. I'm not gonna sold it or anywhere. I really like it. As I said, this is my dream daily driver, and it's gonna be so much fun to drive it. So yeah, can't wait to start working on it. And yeah, I'm gonna tell you all about what engine it's gonna put in when we hit 1,000 subscribers. I don't know, we are now at 700 and something, and that's gonna give me enough time to research everything and to tell you exactly what I'm going to do. So yeah, for 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna tell you what we're gonna do with this car. Okay? Okay. Well guys, hit that subscribe button, and please like and share and subscribe, obviously. And guys, see you in the next video.